Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present a research called Openness of Public Information in the Management of Village Fund in North Minahasa Regency. The agenda of this presentation consists of introduction, research method, result and discussion, and finally conclusion. Let's start with introduction. Openness in public information is an inseparable aspect of democracy that upholds freedom and human rights in the fulfillment of individual rights. There are 4 principles that use as indicators in implementing village financial management, which are transparency, accountability, participation, and order and budget discipline. As for management, there are parts of planning, implementation, administration, and accountability as outlined in the realization report. Associated with the condition of North Minahasa as a place of research, Village Fund programs have been implemented since 2016, within the disclosure of information on the related people who control the information, especially in the management of the Village Fund themselves. The method that is used in this study is a qualitative research method. This research was conducted in North Minahasa Regency, North Sulawesi, Indonesia. The sources of this research gathered from primary data and secondary data. Techniques of data collection in this research are observation, interview, and documentation. In testing the validity of the data, the researcher used 3 criteria. The first one is degree of trust, letterness, and addiction. Now we come to the result and discussion part. There are 2 big points of this section. The first one is implementation of public information openness policy on village fund management in North Minahasa Regency. Village financial management can be concluded that transparent indicators are not in accordance with the mandate of Permendagri 113 of 2014. It means that village finance sources from the APBN can be known and monitored by the all authorized parties who have the rights in this matter. The form of accountability for financial management of the winning villages already existed. However, the village government prioritized the accountability to the superiors. Village financial management can be concluded regarding participatory indicators that the lack of community roles to mutually control village financial management, so that the result of the development are not in accordance with the community needs. There has not been any consistency from the village government in processing village finance source from the 2016 state budget. The second point is factors that causing the implementation of the public information openness policy on village fund management in North Minahasa Regency. The first factor is communication indicator. The socialization has never been carried out by the district government, but is only limited to the provision of theory to fulfill work programs and doesn't cover all levels of society, because the socialization carried out just goes away without understanding the important point. Existing resources, including a lack of knowledge and education in the village government that is still lacking in processing existing facilities, so that even though the facilities are already supporting, but minimal knowledge in processing, these facilities will have an effect on the government process, especially in the management of village funds. The last one is bureaucratic structure indicators. The village head hasn't been able to do his job properly in terms of preparing, implementing, controlling, reporting on the implemented plan of activities for which he is responsible with. In conclusion, funds in North Minahasa Regency and the implementation of managed village funds is not yet known by the community, and the rights as the community are not fulfilled and access information regarding accountability and managing funds village. Lack of competent resources that affect the performance of village government that are less effective because of the level of education and lack of knowledge in processing existing facilities. That is all about this research paper. Thank you.